Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, today we're gonna practice about 12 vowel sound. The first one is this sound on the word city. City. The second one is this sound on the word beam. Beam. The third one is this sound on the word woman. Woman. And the fourth one is this sound on the word who. Who. After that is this sound on the word hair. Hair. The sixth one is this sound on the word arrive. Arrive. After that is this sound on the word flame. Flame. After that, the eighth one is this sound on the word bird. Bird. The ninth one is this sound on the word worm. Worm. After that is this sound on the word dust. Dust. And then the 11th one is this sound on the word on. On. And the last one is this sound on the word watch. Watch. So that's it, the 12 sound